So, let me start this off by letting y'all know that I am fully well aware that our nose hairs are there for a reason. But this is a thing and a service that some salons and some barbershops do provide. So when I saw that an at-home kit exists, I said, let me try it, make the demonstration, make the how-to video to kind of show you, without you having to buy it, what the experience will be. So, have you ever thought about waxing your nose hairs? Well, here's the kit. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring the camera down, show everything in detail, all the contents inside, the instructions, the whole nine. Then when we bring it back up, it's time to wax my nose beard. So let's bring the camera down. Okay, so what we're talking about is the Kenashii nose waxing kit. Here's the front of the box. Here's the top of the box. On the side here, you got a little quick explanation and ingredients. You take a freeze frame of that. Read it when you need to. And also you got a little QR code, quick response code. You got a female in the back because it is a kit for male and female. And you got the contents, and not sure what language that is. Could be Korean, could be Chinese. I think it's Chinese. And you got a barcode. Okay, so let's get inside. Make your nose happy? Use Kenashii. Okay, so we got your applicators, some stickers. I believe these are stickers. Let's check it out. Mustache stickers. We got a nice little burlap Kenashii bag. Very cool. Instructional pamphlet to let you know what to do. And this is the Kenashii nose hair wax. There you go. Pretty cool. What you're supposed to do is put this in the microwave, let this heat up, take one of these, get the wax up on the top there, stick it in your nose, let it dry. So let's see what comes in this pouch right here. Balm wipes. So you use after waxing to moisturize and help remove wax residue. So if you have any wax left over in your nose, you use this to get it out. So what you're supposed to do is take the wax, put it in your microwave, heat it up for 3 minutes. If the wax is still solid, then continue heating for another minute and keep doing that until it's the right consistency. Then you take your little applicator, cover it with the wax. It should look exactly like that, and they let you know that that's wrong, that's too little, and that's too much. It's got to be this way. Stick it in your nose in a twisting motion. In. You wait 90 seconds and then you yank. So that is the Kenashii nose waxing kit. Let's bring it back up for the wax. Okay, before I get this done, before I do this, I wanna say this because I missed this when I had the camera down. These are not just stickers. These are mustache guards. You would take them off, you put them over your mustache so the wax doesn't catch your facial hair. So these are not just stickers, they have a job. They have two different styles. So if you have a handlebar, you use this one. If you have a regular mustache, you use that one. Or you can take your finger, hold your mustache down, then put the applicator in. Either way, they don't want you to get this on your mustache because it'll yank your mustache hairs off, and that's gonna hurt like hell. So, without further ado, let's get this nose waxing thing done. Okay, so when you're heating this up, it has to look like this. Whoop. and then you take a little bit of it and you put it on your wrist to see if you can handle the heat. If it's too hot, then don't put it up your nose. Obviously, you're gonna burn yourself. I'm gonna take a little bit, put it on my fingertip. See, there it is on my fingertip. It's not that hot. So mine is ready, perfect consistency. It's okay, it's not too hot on my skin, so I can move forward. I'm gonna go with the Mustache Guard because I don't trust myself with this to not rip off some of my mustache. I believe this is the perfect amount. See that? See that? Thank God for that Mustache Guard, because that would have been right on my mustache. 90 seconds, man. 90 seconds, and we're gonna yank this out, see what we get. Hopefully it's not gonna be too gross. Hopefully it's not gonna hurt too bad. Let's do this. Okay, all right, ready? Oh shit! Oh shit, bro. Okay, let's just man up. Let's just man up and do this. Oh! Oh, god damn. Oh shit. Check it out. It's real. Okay, let's get the other one. Oh! Thank God for that guard. Oh, thank God for that guard. I would have got a lot of my mustache in that. Look at that. Look at all the hair. Look at that. Yup. Oh, that was painful. That was a little painful. I gotta get that wax off my face there. A little right there. Oh, yep. Draw some blood. You know it's a Jonnie Grooms video when I'm bleeding. So let's get this off. Oh shit. Oh, that little piece. Oh, that little piece hurt so bad. Oh my God. Oh. Tearing. I got a tear. Ooh, okay. So. Oh, man. One thing I highly advise is using the Mustache Guard. Look at all that wax that would have got on my mustache had I not used this. I would have an entire bald spot right here on my mustache. So it definitely did get all of the hairs. Like, that was pretty painful. That was one of the most painful things I've ever done to myself, other than cutting the back of my head. When you're heating this up, if it turns clear, it's too hot. It's got to look like honey. It's got to have that consistency of honey. See that? And take a little bit, put it on your skin, make sure you're comfortable with the heat. When I first put it into my nose, it didn't burn me. It didn't feel too hot, so it was perfect temperature. I heated this up perfectly. Now, in the instructions, it says do not use anything more than a 500 watt microwave. My microwave is 900 watts. So what I did was I took the power, I adjusted the power from 100% to 50%. And I put it for 1 minute intervals until it melted to the consistency that was needed. If you have a microwave that's over 500 watts, I suggest adjusting that power, scaling it back to about half, and doing it how I did, because if it's too hot and too powerful, it will melt this jar here, and then you will have a nasty, massively messy, wax-filled microwave, and you don't want that. So, because if this melts, everything inside is going to overflow. I'm going to go ahead and recommend this kit if you want to try to nose wax. It worked out perfectly. It hurt like hell. Don't get me wrong. It was not a painless experience. That hurt. I'm going to leave a link in the description below where I picked this up. that'll be it for the Kenashii nose waxing kit. I had a fun time. It hurt like hell. My nose has no hairs in it anymore. Remember to take care of yourself and each other. Later.